Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Pink noise might interfere with healthy sleep. Trial finds Mednews. A new study found that pink noise, a popular sleep aid, can actually interfere with REM sleep, the stage of sleep important for memory, emotion, and brain development. The study observed 25 healthy adults in a sleep lab and found that pink noise at 50 decibels led to a nearly 19-minute decrease in REM sleep. Exposure to aircraft noise also reduced deep sleep by about 23 minutes, and the combination of pink noise and aircraft noise disrupted both deep and REM sleep. However, wearing earplugs effectively blocked noise and protected sleep without affecting sleep cycles. The researchers caution against the widespread use of broadband noise like pink noise, especially for children whose brains are still developing and who spend more time in REM sleep. Further research is needed on the long-term effects and appropriate noise levels for vulnerable populations. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak